Kia ora, welcome to the August video. This month I'm excited to talk to you about the facilities sector and to celebrate Hawkins, who is turning 75 years. Our facilities team is the largest construction and facility services partner in the country, with a whole-of-life offering that is unique to Downer. But don't just take it from me. Meet some of the facilities leadership team as they talk you through our end-to-end capability.
Hawkins' expertise in the market is through delivering complex projects. You're only as good as your last job, and we make sure that we deliver our last job successfully. Our projects are both vast and large in scale. We have various clients across all types of projects: airports, hospitals, retail, fit-outs, museums, art galleries. At Hawkins we do pride ourselves in being around for 75 years. It gives you a sense of ownership, a sense of loyalty, a strong sense of passion and commitment for what we do, not only for our clients and our customers, but for what we do for each other. It's a perfect fit with Hawkins joined up with facilities, and what we do in terms of delivering our projects, Hawkins builds them, facilities then maintain them through their whole of life. So it is a joined up approach, and it's an offering that really no other major construction company in the country can offer that to their clients.
The new business pipeline looks really strong. We often work for a lot of institutional type clients, health, education, defence, and we deliver well for those clients, and their forward programs of work are really strong. So with the alignment with facilities, we're able to combine well to deliver a lot of that work.
As a new business team, our point of difference is around cultural diversity. We've got a lot of different thinkers in the team. We can bring a lot of different ideas and a lot of creativity, which is really quite important because you want people who do think differently to get those ideas out to different clients.
The next step for our use of technology, and in particular BIM, is to use it more for planning and the planning side of safety, providing sort of more efficient methodologies on site to deliver our works well, and then also the use of artificial intelligence tools which will make our teams more efficient and let them do what they're best at, and that's delivering well.
And once the build is done, we continue to support our customers.
Our facilities management offering is really quite unique in the New Zealand market, and the reason I say that is because of the breadth of what we actually offer. So we start right at the front end, where we're able to go in and clean and make sure our customers' buildings are pristine and looking great. We're also able to cater within those facilities, so if they're wanting special event or lunches or within canteens, we're able to manage that as well. Obviously then within our facilities management side, we're able to manage through our electrical, mechanical, carpentry, trades-based services, and then also the specialist services, whether that be looking after vertical transport, so the likes of your lifts, your escalators, fire for example. We're able to provide all of those trades-based services. On top of that, we also have our more sophisticated asset management and technology offerings, which is really able to provide the real insights into our customers' assets. So how the asset's performing, what's the whole of life expected on a certain asset, when do they expect it to end, when does it need to be replaced. We've got a great range of clients within the facilities business, and one of the great things about our business is a lot of our business is government backed. We have large customers, the likes of Department of Corrections, Ministry of Justice, Ministry of Education, Defence, Kāinga Ora in the social housing space.
Well, our customers are really excited about the reshape of facilities because it brings in that whole of life of what we do at Downer, the build under Hawkins, maintain and operate under the Downer and Spotless brands. It brings it all together and captures it all. There's a lot of information that we will use during the building phase that will benefit the maintain and operate. So it brings the whole of life and encapsulates it all together. There's no one else in New Zealand doing this sort of thing in the large commercial sector. So our ability to offer whole of life solutions to large customers will set us apart.
We look after more than 4,000 people in our facilities business. This amazing diversity really provides awesome opportunities for us to combine our smarts to deliver whole of life solutions for our customers, and with that grow our people's careers for the long term. The bond our people feel to their brand they work for is a real strength. We want to build on this strength with our new facilities business. We want to be the best place to work in the industry we operate in. To do this, we need a culture that celebrates success, that provides good opportunities for people to succeed, support each other through good teamwork, and not least respect the differences and provide those opportunities and a strong sense of purpose. When we get that right, no one can beat us.
The reshaping of facilities helps tell our story clearly. We are in a unique position to offer an end-to-end construction, maintenance and operations solution for our clients. We have an opportunity to collaborate with our other Downer sectors, and this sets us apart in the market. I'm really proud of the facilities team, and I'm confident that we will get the job done by working hard, having fun and looking after each other. Take care everyone, mā te wā.